So we're going to go to your C drive. We're going to go change directory and we're going to go into your system 32 folder. So it's going to be change directory, Windows, system 32. Hit enter. Now we're going to go copy xsavvytechtipsx and we're going to make a backup of that file because here soon we're going to rename the file to the command prompt. Okay, so now we're going to go copy cmd.exe to sesc.exe. We're going to go yes. There we go. And then now we're going to go exit. We're going to continue into Windows. Okay, we're going to full screen this. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to hit shift until the command prompt comes up. There we go. Now let's try the net user, Bob, or whatever your user you want to reset the password on. And then our new password, I'm doing ABC123. You can do whatever password you want. It doesn't matter. Just think of a password you can remember and change it to it. All right, there we go. So it was successfully done. So now the next command we're going to do is control user passwords 2. There we go. Brings up the user accounts. Now you're gonna highlight whatever user you want to reset your password on and click on reset password here. Create a new password that you want to use for the user. And then log in. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to utilities and we're going to choose security, I believe. Yep. And then passwords. Then Lacesoft password recovery. All right, so we're going to reset Windows passwords. Yep, it's going to be the thing that you're using the home version. We're going to reset the local password. Now you're going to select the user account that you want to reset the password for. In this case, we're going to go Bob. Hit next. And then we're going to click on reset and unlock. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to give it a blank password. So it'll just, you can just log right in. So we're going to exit that and then we're going to restart. We're going to click on sign in and it's not going to ask for a password because that's what Hire and Boot CD does. It just clears the password, no setting the password. So now if you want to set the password to your user, you'll go to computer management and then local users and groups, users, and then click on the user set password. And then okay. If you have Windows Home, Windows 11 or 10 Home, nothing you can do is bring up command prompt and then you can go net user and then the user account and then the password, whatever password you want to set. So Access is denied. Okay, so you're gonna have to run it as administrator. Right click, run as administrator, hit yes, and then you should be able to do it. There we go. Like I said, you don't have to do the ABC123 for the user account. Just do whatever password you want to use for that user account.
Hey guys, remember to subscribe for more content and check out the full live stream. Peace.